What happens when you crack your knuckles? Your whole life, your parents, your teachers, you'll get arthritis. Here's what actually happens. That sound? Not bones, not damage, not anything breaking. Your joints are filled with fluid. That fluid has gas dissolved in it. When you pull the joint apart, the gas forms a bubble. The bubble pops. That's it. The arthritis claim? A doctor spent 60 years cracking the knuckles on his left hand every single day. Never touched his right. At the end of 60 years, no difference. Left hand, right hand, same. He won a Nobel Prize for it. What actually does happen? After you crack, that knuckle goes quiet for 30 minutes. The gas needs time to redissolve. You literally cannot crack it again. Your body locks it out. The joint space increases by 15% during the crack in less than 300 milliseconds. One doctor described it as like forming a vacuum. Your body is built different than anyone told you. Crack away.